Well, Scott, these contract talks are on behalf of the nearly 8,000 healthcare workers at Kaleida Health hospitals, nursing homes, and clinics across Western New York. And the decision of whether or not to authorize a strike, well, that could happen in the next few weeks.
Kaleida is not making the moves at the bargaining table on issues that are crucial to our members.
Kaleida Health Union members are applying the pressure with a strike authorization vote now on the horizon.
We're ready, willing, and able to do what we need to do to bring a strong contract back to our members.
As contract talks continue, union leaders say that the two sides remain far apart, especially on staffing and economic proposals.
We have language in the contract that would help us to make sure, hold Kaleida accountable and making sure that the staffing ratios are adhered to. And you have your typical stuff. You have retirement, wages, benefits, things that you need to have to recruit and retain.
In a statement to Two on Your Side, Kaleida says it's been bargaining in good faith, writing in part, "We are committed to do all that we can to achieve a fair contract that rewards our current employees, helps attract new staff, and puts Kaleida Health in a strong position going forward." But beyond the bargaining table, there's another major concern: potential cuts to Medicaid.
Medicaid cuts, because Kaleida is going to lose a lot of money with those cuts. So that's probably our biggest damper on contract negotiations this year.
Union leaders are pointing to congressional Republicans, including Nick Langworthy and Claudia Tenney, for supporting a federal spending bill that they say would gut Medicaid funding.
When you have a children's hospital that is supposed to be a safety net hospital that deals with all of the low-income families that we deal with and families that don't have insurance, you're basically saying that you wanted to get where in that is waste, fraud, and abuse. These are children.
Langworthy responding to that claim, telling Two on Your Side in part, "We will root out the fraud, waste, and abuse that steal precious resources from the most vulnerable. This is about restoring accountability and basic fairness." Now, Representative for Claudia Tenney did not immediately respond to our request for comment, and the vote to authorize that strike would begin on July 8th and would give union leaders the power to call a strike only if they feel that it's necessary, but it does not mean that a strike is guaranteed. There's still time for union leaders and Kaleida to reach a deal before then. On Your Side, Alyssa Clausell, Channel 2 News.